Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take audio from YouTube Shorts. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So all you need to do now is just to go to your YouTube and then search for the shorts that you want to take its sound or voice. And basically here you will find the audio. You will find it here in the corner. By clicking on this audio, you will need just to save it so you can find it when you create your own shorts. Now all you need to do is just to add or create shorts in your YouTube. So basically either you can click on use this sound or you can click on this plus icon so you can start uh, creating your own shorts. So now I'm just going to click on use this sound. Now you can simply start recording your shorts and all you need to do is to start editing. So I'm just going to click like this, and as you can see now the audio is going on and now I have finished the recording. So now we are just going to wait for the YouTube short to be processed and then you will be able to publish it. And basically, when you publish it, you can start adding, editing the titles, etc. You can also go to your YouTube studio then and go to your content, search for your shorts, and then you can also start editing your shorts, etc. and do all the necessary modification. You can, for example, start adding tags or whatever, and then you will have your shorts that will be having the audio from the other YouTube shorts. And of course, if you are going to create your own YouTube shorts, you can also find the audio from the saved sounds where you had saved the other audio. For example, from here, you can go to shorts and then you can, for example, search for the sounds from here, etc. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.